This is the car that we are going to fit with the Hertz ECX speaker. It's a Toyota Wish. The headlight had been modified also. We have to going too slow on this slope. Is very low on the bumper. Right. So this is the old Kenwood we're going to replace. Is the PX50110, a very old unit. It support both CD and cassette. We're going to replace these with this JVC KW-V520BT. So I will show in a moment. So this is the Toyota Wish door speaker. Unfortunately, the holes doesn't fit to the OEM one. So what we have to do, we have to drill. I don't know why we do this. It's actually to prevent the speaker from becoming a vibrator machine for your door. Instead of, we want it to become a music machine. So this is actually a cheap double tap we do apply to prevent to make it airtight, as well as this speaker foam at the back to prevent the sound leak to the to the back of the door. So it will just continually babble inside. Finally managed to fully install all the Hertz speaker inside this door. Now all of this door equipped with Hertz speaker. As you can see, you can clearly see the Hertz pointing logo on the speaker grill. All of these 4 speaker is powered by this JVC head unit. It's 22 watts RMS combined channel 88 watts on full bandwidth. So now the only thing we have to do is to test the audio system. How does it sound? Now for this test, I have tuned the head unit, this JVC KW-V520BT. I have tuned to match the setting, the right setting for this car, the best setting that I can figure out to make it sound very good. So I'll make you listen on the sound, so you can give a comment on how clear it is and how smooth, how well balanced the sound is. Okay. Now I'm sitting at the driver position of this car, and remember, before we do the testing, this sound system have no processor, no amplifier. Everything is powered by this head unit. Okay, so all of this speaker is Hertz ECX165.5, and this is how it sounds. Let me repeat just once again. What I can say from the listening experience just now is it's so unbelievable that the sound staging is very nice. It's like the tweeter is sitting up here somewhere in the dash, which is actually at the door panel. Both the speaker and the tweeter is at the door panel. There, I think you can see it. Yep, that's the speaker and the tweeter both in the door panel. But the sound is something like coming from the dash area. So I'm not sure it's from the speaker itself or from this head unit DSP, but the speaker have RHFC technology, which help to focus the tweeter on the passenger listening spot. But most probably it's also from this unit, the K2 sound lip technology from this JVC head unit. But what I can say, the sound is well balanced and the staging is very surprising, because you feel like the tweeter is coming from, the sound of the tweeter is coming from this dash. And you also, of course, as you can see, there is no tweeter out here, totally no tweeter. Yep, the sound all coming from this door unit, and that's the Hertz tweeter. That's all it does. So let's try now something more on instrument. So this is the sound for instruments such as violin and everything. So this is how it sounds. Okay, so this testing now is for vocal sounds. So let's see if this speaker can deliver a precise vocal, and see if it's well round with other instrument in the background. So this is actually a live cover of I Don't Wanna Miss a Thing by a Korean artist. Forget what's the name, what is her name, but it's actually a cover of I Don't Wanna Miss a Thing. To wrap this up, we installed JVC KW-V520BT. The speakers, we use Hertz ECX165.5, all of this door unit. We did a sound deadening on this door. Very minimal sound deadening because we are on a budget installation. And then we tune as much as possible EQ on this unit to match our sound listening with this car environment. What I can say about the upgrade, it is very worth and noticeable, The sounds is very balanced. Treble and vocals are more accurate, more clarity, and surprisingly, the door deliver a kick-ass bass. You can feel that like there is a subwoofer from this car unit, which is we have no subwoofer for the time being because this is on a budget. We just depend on the mid-range by Hertz, but the bass representation was very good. You can feel the rumble shaking your leg. I think what I can say, yeah, Hertz is a better speaker. The 165.5, you will not go wrong with it. If you have option with this speaker, trust me, you will not regret. Get it, install it to your car. And this JVC head unit is a very good head unit. A lot of EQ customization and a lot of DSP processing you can play around. What I can say, this is a very cheap head unit. For its functionality, it's considered very cheap, but all the sound, the quality is unbeatable, trust me. So that's all for today. I'm going to end up this video. Hopefully you guys like it. If you have comment, just comment below. If you like this video, just thumbs up. And if you have any suggestion or question, you may ask in the comment below. You can share your opinion with others. This car is a Toyota Wish 2007. It's a quite old recon Japan car, but a very good condition. Okay, till then, see you guys in the next video.